Hey, I'm Chef Toby Puddock, or some people call me a chef. My mother does. And I'm standing with the amazing Leslie Chan, who is also a chef. We are in the middle of Prahran Market. We've been shopping. Well, actually, you've been shopping.
Yeah, I've been shopping in the morning.
And this is where I stand by. You can do some cooking, Leslie.
Yes, great, Toby. Today we're going to cook a lovely, very, very good dish. It's called sweet and sour pork. But I do it more cheeky. That's why I call cheeky sweet and sour pork, but it's very yummy.
What did you call it before? Cheeky crunchy?
Yeah, it's cheeky, crunchy, lovely.
Cheeky crunchy, lovely.
Today we got a lovely pork loin.
Yeah.
And you can use any part of pork, like pork neck, pork, but pork like it's more easy to handle.
So, but you want a tender part of the pork,
Yes.
not shoulder or anything like that?
Yes.
Something like the fillet, the neck that's going to cook pretty quickly?
Because this is, like, you're right, Toby, this is quick cooking. We need a quick, nice and easy.
How do we get started with this? What do we do? And is there anything I can do?
In Asian cooking, we always do a marinade. So can you put everything inside?
Yeah. So what have we got here?
So this one, a little bit salt.
All of it or a pinch?
All of it.
So that's a good pinch.
And sugar. This one cornstarch.
All of it?
Yeah, cornstarch is helping all the ingredients and bind together, and when it define, they really, really crunchy and crispy result.
All
All of them.
This one?
Yeah, this one's sugar. And this all perfect, lovely yolks, sesame oil, the best in the world. All of them, you can see the smell coming through your nose.
Do you cook in sesame oil or only use it for flavouring?
Flavoring also for the tasting.
Okay, this one, what's
So
this?
this one's soy sauce, this one chicken powder. Chicken powder is like chicken brewster. And
Do you want an egg in there?
yeah, one egg should be okay. And now when you add it in, you can see all the color.
And you get that vibrancy coming out.
Yeah,
What have we got
last one
here?
is sugar. So last one is the water. So water just to help to mix.
Best
food.
ingredient ever.
Yes. So that's
Okay.
easy.
So
You mix
now?
it, you mix it with a spoon and
Okay.
fork. So mix it.
So
and that's it.
why the egg in here? What's the egg doing in here?
So the egg is actually one to get a color. When you cook in the oil, to get a more color. Number two, you got a flavor.
Yeah.
It's really good. Look at that.
So
It's
do you let that
beautiful.
marinate with the egg?
We marinate here for about half hour. We let the pork swim in the sauce. Swimming.
In the egg
Yeah,
bath?
nice, put it there and then sunshine, sip it and relax.
What's this?
So this one, this one I call chicky. Remember this is one chicky sweet and sour pork. The chicky part is I use a donut, Chinese donuts.
Yeah.
And the inside, I make a hole inside. I got a prawn stuck in it. When you define them, it looks like a pork, actually. But when you eat it, it's not pork.
Could look like bone marrow almost, yeah. What can I do?
So what can you do? So Toby can do my filling. So
Yeah.
you just fill the prawn
Sure.
in the
I can do
hole.
that. Yeah.
And that's it.
Prawn in
Very
the hole.
simple. Yeah, put in the hole and that's it.
It's like, what do they call it? Frog in the pond.
Yeah, so put the prawn and then when you define them, when you bake it, people thought, oh, it's a pork. Oh, no, sorry, it's a seafood. How good is that? Lovely.
We try.
Apple, peach.
How do you want it
peach
diced?
Just like this one, just cut it.
Okay.
Just 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, go.
Cut, okay. Then you just cut it in a cube. So can you do the peach for me?
Yeah, I can do it.
So sometimes I like add a peach in it. So if for different season, you can add the lettering. It's also good. But what I find peach is like now it's winter. It's very hard to get the lettering. But peach is good a very like sweet taste to this, and also more harmony. Because all the dishes about the harmony. Sweet, sour, crunchy, soft, tender, all come together.
It's all happening.
Yes.
Okay, so peach into there.
Yeah, lovely. Oh, Toby, we just found it. We forgot to add one little thing in the marinade. It's very important.
What?
That's ABC sauce. So ABC sauce, they got a really, really good taste of sweet. It's actually sweet soy sauce. So we got about 20 grams.
Where are we going? Into here?
Yeah, and also this one get a color and also get the taste.
Yeah.
To the marinade, the pork. So put it inside here.
Yep.
Marinade for okay done. So Toby, can I give you something?
Sure.
Can you help me? I put this side. I put the pork in here.
Are you going to dust it a bit?
Yeah. Can you help? Can you
yeah,
help
of
me
course.
just put it inside the
So that's plain flour?
Yeah, this is potato starch. That's a-
Potato starch?
Yes.
Okay. Are we ready to fry?
Oh,
So
lovely.
Just hold it a little
hold
bit,
it, yeah.
make sure it's good. Okay, and we're ready. So just always lower it very carefully.
Carefully, okay.
Okay, so now we're dusting. We're going to fry the rest of this pork.
So Toby, let's keep frying.
Yeah, watch my
Good job.
fingers.
Okay, lovely.
Now we're fried off the pork
Yes.
and the donuts there. The donuts didn't take as long to cook because they've got very delicate prawn inside.
Yes.
And we should also mention as well, this is going to feed what, 2 or 4 people?
Yeah, this one for
recipe?
4 people. Yeah, for 4 people.
If you're going to cook for 8 people, when you're going to start to fry things, Fry in batches. Don't overload the fryer. It's going to bring the temperature down in the oil and make everything soggy, and you won't get the cheeky, crunchy that you're after.
So now what I'm doing, I put the wok in here again. So when you cook the ingredient in the wok, make sure the wok hot enough.
Yeah, so Leslie's been preheating the wok off camera as well, so you can already see the smoke coming off. What do you need first, boss?
So what's I cook the vegetable like the onion and casing because they are firmer. They cook longer than the cook.
And you've got these quite largely diced as well.
Yes.
You can see they're like...
You can put it in about 2 centimeter.
Yeah, so
Also,
capsicum and onion same time.
So onion, also we got the pineapple.
Yeah.
And toast it.
Okay, let's pull the sauce together. Thanks so much for sharing this. I really appreciate it. It's awesome.
Let's try it.
May I?
Yeah, put it pork.
No pressure at all. Trying it in front of you on camera. There's that pork is very tender.
Very tender, yeah.
Really, really tender
And
as
you
well.
can taste the sweet, sour, and everything come together, different layer. That's great.
Well done, man.
Yeah, great job, mate.
Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. To get this recipe, head over to mymarketkitchen.tv to see Leslie's awesome recipe in full with quantities included. If you can't be bothered heading down to the Chinese takeaway, Leslie's got you covered. Yeah. This is how you get really, I'm going to say, Aussie authentic sweet and sour pork.
Cheeky.
Cheeky crunchy.